So, you want to upgrade your car's sound system for that deep, punchy bass you can feel, not just hear. The world of car audio can be overwhelming with all the talk of watts, impedance, and enclosures. But what if you could get a perfectly matched subwoofer and amplifier, all in one box, ready to go? I've gathered the top 5 10-inch subwoofer and amp packages available today. I'll break down their build quality, sound, installation, and value. I will outline their detailed real-world performance, not just specs. Whether you want a compact underseat unit or a trunk-shaking beast, there's something here for you. Let's get started. First up, the Kicker PT 250 BassStation, a classic all-in-one powered sub. It's built solid with a no-nonsense wedge design that fits snugly in your trunk. At 100 watts RMS, it won't rattle your neighbor's windows, but it fills in the low end your factory speakers miss. The bass is tight, musical, and never muddy, perfect for rock, pop, and everyday driving. Installation is a breeze built-in amp, quick connect harness, and a remote bass knob for easy adjustment. This is for the daily driver who wants a real upgrade without the hassle or trunk takeover. The sealed enclosure keeps the bass punchy and accurate across genres. If you want clean, controlled bass and a user-friendly setup, the PT 250 is a fantastic entry point. It's not for bass heads, but it's a huge step up from stock. Next up we have the Skar Audio Dual 10 SVR package. An absolute powerhouse designed for those who crave deep, thunderous bass and want to take their car audio experience to the next level. This setup is not for the casual listener. It's built for enthusiasts who want to feel every beat and make a statement wherever they go. From the moment you unbox it, you can tell this is a serious piece of equipment, engineered for maximum impact and performance. Unlike powered subwoofers that come with a built-in amp, this beast is a passive vented enclosure housing two 10-inch subwoofers. That means you'll need to pair it with a separate amplifier to unlock its full potential. The enclosure itself is massive, and when you compare it side by side with other popular models like the Kicker PT 250, the Skar audio box stands out for its sheer size and presence. The build quality is nothing short of impressive. With thick MDF panels, reinforced corners, and a precision-engineered kerf-fed slot port, this enclosure is built like a tank. It's designed to move a ton of air, delivering earth-shaking, boomy bass that you can feel in your chest. Every detail, from the port design to the bracing, is optimized for maximum output and durability, so you can push your system hard without worrying about rattles or flex. Of course, all that performance comes at a cost, mainly trunk space. This enclosure is big and heavy, taking up a significant portion of your cargo area. But if you're the type who wants to feel your music as much as you hear it, and you don't mind sacrificing some practicality for pure audio bliss, this setup is absolutely worth it. When you fire it up, the Skar Audio Dual 10 SVR delivers a level of loudness and aggression that's perfect for hip-hop, EDM, and anyone who loves to show off their system at car meets. The bass is deep, punchy, and powerful enough to make your mirrors shake and turn heads wherever you go. If you're chasing SPL numbers or just want to be the loudest on the block, this is the kind of setup that will get you there. But with great power comes great responsibility. To get the most out of this subwoofer package, you'll need a strong amplifier, something that can deliver plenty of clean power without breaking a sweat. In fact, you might even need to upgrade your car's electrical system, adding a high-output alternator or an extra battery to keep up with the demands of this beast. It's a serious commitment, but the payoff is worth it for true bass heads. With a combined RMS rating of 1600 watts, this setup is all about output. The vented design means the bass is less tight and controlled than a sealed box, but the sheer volume and low-end extension are unmatched at this price point. It's the kind of bass you feel in your bones, perfect for those who want to make a real impact. It's important to note, though, that this isn't the right choice for everyone. If you drive a small car or value your cargo space, you might find this enclosure a bit overwhelming. And if you're sensitive to loud, booming bass, this setup might be more than you bargained for. But if you want to be heard from blocks away and love the thrill of powerful audio, look no further. For dedicated car audio fans, the Skar Audio Dual 10 SVR is a badge of honor. It's a serious investment, both in terms of money and space, but the value it delivers for bass enthusiasts is unbeatable. You'll get respect from fellow audio lovers and enjoy a listening experience that's truly next level. Just be prepared for a more complex installation process and a lifestyle change. Once you go this big, there's no turning back. The Skar Audio Dual 10 SVR isn't just a subwoofer, It's a statement piece for anyone who lives and breathes car audio. Need bass but have very tight space? Enter the kicker Hideaway HS10 at number 3. This ultra-compact, all-metal-powered sub tucks under a seat, out of sight and out of the way. At 180 watts RMS, it's surprisingly punchy for its size, adding real depth and tactile bass to your music. The underseat placement makes the bass feel immediate and immersive, especially for front passengers. Installation is simple, with a quick connect harness and remote bass knob for easy tuning. It's perfect for compact cars, trucks, or anyone who can't spare trunk space. The bass is tight and impactful, though it won't shake the whole car or hit the lowest notes. For most drivers, it's the smartest, most practical subwoofer upgrade available. If you want stealthy, space-saving bass, the HS10 is a game-changer. Let's move on to the Skar Audio SDR1 X10D2 package, a true all-in-one solution for anyone craving big, punchy bass without breaking the bank. Right out of the box, you can tell this kit is designed for music lovers who want to upgrade their car audio experience without the hassle of piecing together separate components. Everything you need is included, making it a fantastic choice for both beginners and seasoned car audio enthusiasts. Inside you'll find a vented 10-inch subwoofer that's built to deliver deep, resonant bass, a perfectly matched 800-watt RP-800.1D amplifier, and a complete wiring kit. This means you don't have to worry about compatibility or missing parts. Skar Audio has bundled everything together for a seamless installation and optimal performance. The subwoofer's ported enclosure is engineered for maximum output, giving you that classic chest-thumping rumble that makes every drive more exciting. Compared to dual 10S, this single sub is more manageable in size, yet it still packs a serious punch, filling your car with rich, powerful low-end frequencies that you can feel as much as hear. What's really impressive is its versatility. Whether you're into hip-hop with booming bass lines, rock with punchy kick drums, or electronic music with deep drops, this system handles it all with ease. The sub responds quickly and accurately, so every genre sounds full and dynamic, making your playlists come alive. Installation is a bit more involved than simply dropping in a powered sub, but the included wiring kit and clear instructions make the process straightforward, even for those new-to-car audio upgrades. You'll need to run power and signal wires, but the satisfaction of a custom install is worth the effort, and you'll know your system is set up for the best possible sound. For anyone looking to step up from basic factory sound, this package is the perfect introduction to real, component-level bass. There's no guesswork about which amp or sub to buy, and you get the pride of installing a system that truly transforms your car's audio. The value here is outstanding. You're getting more output, more clarity, and more fun than most entry-level systems can offer. It's a setup that rivals more expensive options, giving you serious performance without the premium price tag. If you want big sound, easy shopping, and a system that's ready to go right out of the box, the Skar Audio SDR1 X10D2 is your best bang-for-buck pick. It's a smart investment for anyone who wants to upgrade their ride's audio without the stress of complicated choices. Ultimately, this is a system that makes you want to turn up the volume, roll down the windows, and hit the open road with your favorite tracks blasting. It's about enjoying every moment behind the wheel, surrounded by the music you love. Finally, let's talk about the Rockford Fosgate P310, a true legend in the world of powered subwoofers, and a name that's been trusted by car audio enthusiasts for decades. When you see the Rockford badge, you know you're getting something special, and the P310 is no exception. This subwoofer is built like a tank, featuring a premium vinyl-wrapped enclosure that not only looks sleek, but also resists scratches and wear. Inside, you'll find a powerful 300-watt RMS amplifier that's engineered for consistent, reliable performance, even when you push it hard. The attention to detail in the construction means this sub is made to last for years, handling daily use and the occasional bump in the road with ease. The sound quality is unmistakably Rockford, punchy, dynamic, and incredibly tight. Thanks to its sealed enclosure design, the bass response is fast and accurate, never muddy or overwhelming. The built-in punch EQ lets you fine-tune the sound to your liking, so whether you want a subtle boost or a deep, thumping low end, you're in control. Every note is delivered with clarity and authority, making your music come alive. No matter what you listen to, rock, hip-hop, electronic, or even jazz, the P310 delivers hard-hitting, accurate bass that enhances every genre. It's versatile enough to handle the fast kick drums of rock, the deep 808s of hip-hop, and the intricate bass lines of electronic music. You'll feel every beat, every note, and every nuance, transforming your daily drive into a concert-like experience. Installation is refreshingly simple, even if you're not a car audio expert. The P310 comes with flexible input options, so it's compatible with almost any factory or aftermarket stereo. The included remote bass knob lets you adjust the bass level on the fly, right from the driver's seat. Perfect for switching between genres or dialing in the perfect sound for every song. It's true, the P310 is the most expensive powered subwoofer in this lineup. But with that higher price comes unmatched quality, reliability, and performance. You're investing in a product that's built to outperform and outlast the competition, using only the best materials and components. It's a case of getting exactly what you pay for, and then some. This subwoofer is designed for the true audio enthusiast, the listener who demands not just more bass, but better bass. If you care about premium sound quality and rock-solid build, the P310 is made for you. It's not just about volume, it's about precision, depth, and musicality. The P310 is a buy it once, love it forever kind of product. Owners rave about its durability and performance, often keeping it through multiple vehicles. It's the kind of upgrade you'll appreciate every time you turn on your music. If you want a no-compromise, easy-to-install upgrade that instantly elevates your car's audio system, the P310 sets the standard. It's user-friendly, fits in most trunks, and doesn't require any special tools or advanced skills to get up and running. In the world of powered subwoofers, the Rockford Fosgate P310 is the benchmark. It's the model others are measured against, and for good reason. It delivers on every promise, every time. So, which 10-inch sub-package takes the crown? For pure volume and value, the Skar Dual 10S are unbeatable for bass heads. For stealth and practicality, the Kicker Hideaway HS10 is a marvel. But for the best all-around mix of performance, build, and ease, my top pick is the Rockford Fosgate P310. It's powerful, punchy, and built to last. A true all-in-one solution. Ultimately, the best sub is the one that makes you love your music and your drive. Let me know your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car audio reviews. Also, check the links in the description below for the best deals on these amp and 10-inch subwoofer packages. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.